gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah.
Welcome to the Fuentes Family Channel, and this is Lorie. In today's video, we will be interviewing beautiful Filipinas from the province of Camarines or Bicol, Philippines. We will be asking them, guys, if should foreigners financially support the families of Filipinas. So let's start with her. Ate, what's your name?
Janet.
Oh, sorry.
Janet.
Janet. That's a very beautiful name. Nice to meet you, Janet. Okay. So, come here, Janet. I'm not gonna eat you. Okay. So, Janet, are you single?
Yes.
Yeah. Wow. So, okay, Janet is single. Are you still studying or you're finished?
Still studying, but
Okay. What course? Graduating. What course?
office administration.
Office administration. Wow, that sounds cool. Okay, so here's the question, Janet. Should foreigners financially support the families of the Filipina? Yes or no?
I guess
Yeah. It's fine. It's fine. Even it's Tagalog, it's fine. Or Taglish.
no,
No. Why?
because
They're shy. This is the typical Filipinas in the province. They're very shy. But here, I'm not gonna eat you, Ate Janet. So why?
pwedeng Tagalog.
Yeah, it's fine.
I mean, nasa sa kanila na lang yun. Yung foreigner, nasa kanila lang yun. Kung, yung ano ba, yung,
Magtutulong sila.
oo, parang kagustuhan nilang tumulong. Pero dahil hindi nila responsibility na, mag-support sa family niya. It's their free will ba? Ano ba yun?
I love that answer. That's wonderful. So what Janet said was it's their free will for foreigners to help. It's up to them if they really want to help or support the family of their wives, the Filipina family. So yeah, that's wonderful. It's not the responsibilities to take care of the family of the Filipinas. That's what she said. So that's a very wonderful answer. Thank you, Janet. Okay, next we have here a very beautiful Filipina. What's her name?
Bea.
Bea. Wow. Okay, so nice to meet you, Bea. Okay, so Bea, how old are you?
23 years old.
Okay, are you graduate or you're still studying?
I already graduate last year.
Last year. Wow. So, are you working now?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. So, here's the question, Bea. Should foreigners financially support the family of Filipina?
Like what you said, for me, I maybe no,
Yeah. Why?
because for me, Tagalog ate.
Yeah, it's fine. Even it's Tagalog, it's fine. We're Filipinos, right?
Like what she said,
Mhm.
hindi natin kailangang, tama, hindi nila responsibilidad na suportahan yung family ng kanilang asawa, ganun. Kumbaga, willingness nila kumbaga, may pagkukusa naman sila yung tumulong sa nila. Siyempre, nasa naman nila yon kung tutulungan nila yung asawa nila o hindi. Hindi natin sila kailangang pilitin.
That's very wonderful. So just like what she said, that we don't have to let them, give the responsibility to them. It's their willingness, just like what you
Yes.
mentioned, right? It's their willingness to help. That's a very wonderful answer. Thank you so much. Are you single?
Yes.
So they're both single. Guys, if who's interested, you can comment down below. What's your name?
Angel po.
You have a very beautiful name. Nice to meet you, Angel. Okay, what course are you taking, Angel?
Edo po.
Education. So you will be a teacher in the future. So here's the question, Angel. Should foreigners financially support the families of the Filipinas?
I think no po. Because every foreigner, mayroon kasi pong ibang foreigner na ang gusto din po talaga nila is yung true love, hindi po yung para po pirahan lang po sila. Kasi once na you in nakikumit ka po sa foreigner, dapat you think po na dapat na hindi po hindi po kailangan umasa sa pera po nila dahil di naman po kasi lahat ng foreigner yun po yung gustong mangyari po na dapat po yung para pong paggastusan po yung kasi hindi na po gastusan yung Pilipino po.
So you're trying to say that foreigners, they're actually looking for love, not to be like an ATM, right? Like not to support the families of Filipinas, right? That's wonderful, yeah. And she also mentioned that if you enter marriage, if you're married already, that's your, how do you say that, like it's your responsibility already, right?
Yeah.
Yes, you're not supposed to depend to your spouse to take care of your family. Thank you so much. That's
Thank
very
you po.
wonderful answer, Angel. Okay, so next we have here, what's your name?
Jomari.
Okay, that's a very unique name. I was telling her earlier, I said, Jomari, that's like a boy's name. Very unique, right? Okay, so nice to meet you, Jomari. You're classmates, right?
Opo.
Yes, okay. Opo means yes. Okay, so Jomari, here's the question. Should foreigners financially support the family of the Filipinas?
No po.
No. Why?
Because po, pag once na, siyempre sa, kung baga, pag may agom ka na po, baga, siyempre, garo, kaya na po magparaasa sa kuning iba,
That's true.
kaan sa, kaya ba, pag once na ako may agom na, siyempre, hindi man na, maasa ka pa man sa magurang mo, tapos, sa magurang mo, maasa sa imo, siyempre, may kanya-kanya na tambuhay, kaya, yun lang po.
That's wonderful. I love that answer as well. So what John Marie said was, if you have family already, you have your own life, right? Like you shouldn't be depending to your family or to your spouse, like vice versa, like that. You have to take care of your own, right? That's wonderful. Okay, I love both your answers. Thank you so much. Thank you for having this interview with me. Okay, are you single, John Marie?
Opo.
Wow, guys, whoever whoever single, comment down below. Okay. Would you date a foreigner, John Marie? Why not? She said why not? Okay. How about you? Are you single, Angel?
No.
You're not. Oh, okay. So Jomer is the single one. So guys, hello. Oh, okay. So, Ate, what's your name?
Josephine Ortiz,
Jocelyn. That's a very nice name. How old are you, Ate Jocelyn?
30.
30. Okay. Are you working?
No,
No, you're
student.
not. A student. Wow. What course are you taking?
Education,
Education. Wow. Major in?
Filipino.
Wow, so you're gonna be a Filipino teacher. That's very nice. Okay, so Ate Josephine, here's the question: should foreigners financially support the Filipinas family? Yes or no?
Depende.
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 Why? It depends. Why?
Kasi para sa akin, kung halimbawa mag-support ang foreigner, halimbawa, kung may anak sila, para lang sa akin, pwede siya mag-suporta doon sa bata.
Oh, no. I think you misunderstood the question. The question is, for example, you have a foreigner husband. Is your husband needs to support your family, like your parents, your siblings, like that, not your child? Yes or no?
Yes?
Yes. Also, your foreigner needs to support your family, like your parents, your siblings, right? Why?
Wait lang.
Oh, it's okay. It's okay. Kasi natin. No, what do you call this? So why?
Hindi ko pa maano. Hindi ko pa
She don't know. Okay. Don't worry. I'll go back to you later. Okay. So here we have a sister. So what's your name?
Mark Jude po.
Martin. Okay. So you're classmates, right? Wow, that's nice. Okay. So should foreigners financially support the Filipinas family?
Para po sa akin, hindi. Kasi,
No.
Opo, kasi in the first place po, hindi naman po responsibility ng foreigner nasuportahan po yung pamilya ng wife niya or your husband niya po.
Oh, that's wonderful. So what he said was, it's not the foreigner's responsibility to support the family of the Filipinas. So his answer is no. But you, Ate Josephine, your answer is yes. So I want to know why. Come here. It's okay natin para data na i-edit mamaya. So why? Why you said yes?
Minsan kasi may foreigner din na gustong mag-support sa kahit hindi naman niya kadugo, halimbawa like mga Filipina, di ba meron na nagsusupport sa mga halimbawa ano ba sila, nagsusupport ang ibang mga foreigner para parang financial na rin sa mga
So what Ate Josephine said was, it's because sometimes foreigner actually like support families even they're not, they're not their families. So it's their willingness, right? Okay, so that's why you said yes. What's your name?
Cheryl.
Cheryl, that's a very wonderful name. Beautiful. Nice to meet you, Ate She. Okay, Ate She, how old are you?
39 years.
39, okay. Not too old, not too young, perfect age. Okay, so Ate She, what's your job? What's your work?
Crew.
Okay, so we are here at their store, Lulu. They serve food, drinks. So whoever, who's interested to, have a drink or snacks like this, like ice cream, anything, visit Lulu. Yeah, and then Ate Cheryl is here. You can just ask or look for Ate Cheryl. She's very nice. So, Ate Cheryl, here's the question: should foreigners financially, do they have to support their wives, the Filipino, the family of their wives?
Depende po yan sa girlfriend ng foreigner. Kung hihingi siya ng suporta sa boyfriend ng foreigner.
Okay, so what Ate She said was, it depends to the Filipinas if she is going to ask her spouse to support her family. That's a wonderful answer, Ate She. Thank you so much. Okay, thank you.